I'm Tony Greif,
I'm Heidi Hockberger.
and we've had our bungalow for just over 5 years.
The windows were covered with yellow lead paint that, of course, we wanted to get rid of that. So we wanted to restore the windows.
Some of the storm windows were a little damaged, so we would definitely get drafts in the winter. But I was personally a skeptic that these 100-year-old windows could really show up for another 100 years. And we're so glad we did it because it's so comfortable in here during the winter. We've been through at least one polar vortex, and they really have been incredible.
We worked with a company called Historic Home and Window Restoration, and they were fantastic. Really could not recommend them enough. They took out all the 40 plus windows that we had, took the screen windows and the storm windows out to their facility where they stripped the paint and repainted all of them. And then we're on site for a few weeks, removing the paint from all of the window trim and repainting all of that.
And I was really surprised that when we went to figure out budgets, getting all the windows restored was about the same price as getting them all replaced. And now we know that we're on a lot longer timeline of having to really do a big rebuild of these again, and they just look incredible. So I think that it was a really easy choice for us to go with restoration versus replacement.
We knew we wanted to do green because it's natural and thought it would look nice with a brick on the front of the house. What we did is we got a ton of paint samples, picked some of our favorites, and we painted some big plywood boards and leaned them against the front window of the house. And we sat outside for an afternoon and asked everyone that walked by which one was their favorite.
But we had just moved in, so it was a great way to kind of force an introduction and get some feedback from the neighbors.
We love the look inside the house of all the natural wood. We especially love the front door. It kind of stands out when you look at the house from the front. We love that we have screens and we can open the windows, we can get a nice breeze going, and that they're safe, there's no more lead paint. The house will have these windows for hopefully at least another 100 years, and if we'd replace them, they'd probably need to be replaced again in 20 or 30 years.
Seriously consider restoring windows versus replacing them. And having gone through it all, as long of a project as it was, as much as we went through to get it done, it is an easy decision if you can make it work in your house.